Welcome to Bali.
Ay, hindi ba yun no exit?
Pinto daw. Pinto kaliwa.
You want withdraw or change money?
Withdraw.
Withdraw.
We don't have
Exchange money daw. Ay, withdraw muna.
Withdraw.
withdraw.
Di ba
I
bawal
don't
ba
have
pare-
cash.
Bawal ba parehas?
I don't have dollar.
Wala tayong dollar.
Welcome to Bali. Saan ka punta? Guys, meron silang offerings around. Nakikita mo siya everywhere dito. So guys,
May something na talaga sa atin.
I ordered shakshuka and this is flat white. Kay Jalai, that's egg penny with like fried chicken and a side salad. Uy, may salad. Okay. And then she got matcha latte, but it was originally mochaccino. And then we have fries. Ano yan? Sausage breakfast sandwich. That's kay Carlo.
Heavy breakfast.
Heavy breakfast. Because he's a big guy. Carlo, mag-TikTok. So, we're going to Circle K. Gonna buy some snacks and some local delicacies. And a little bit of water.
Lobat na ako guys, kayo na mag-book ng lobat.
Okay.
Masarap daw dyan.
Tony's New York. But,
Ito ni isa para kumain ng New York pizza.
it's like the pizza shop in Poblacion. The vibe. Uy, may body treatments. Magpa-scrub tayo ng katawan. Ayan o. Guys, I'm gonna show you ang kwarto ni Jelay. So, this is our room. Medyo basa pa daw yung floor kasi kakalinis lang. And I will show you the bathroom. Oh my gosh, it's locked. It's kind of locked. Ayan. Ayan siya. Open air siya, te. Open bathroom. Oh my gosh. Okay. Pasok yung gamit ko. And ito yung view. Oh. The view. Outside our room. Yan. Say hi ulit.
Ano?
Ito tayo sa kwarto nila. Ugh. Show off that body! Guys, yan ang katawan na makuha nyo pag nag inflate kayo ng...
Ganito lang kayo sa mga 3 hours a day.
Ayan. I-zoom natin. Zoom natin. Jelly, matakpan! Yes! Go, Carlo! Hi, guys. So, yung friends ko, nagsiswimming sila ngayon sa pool. Takot akong sumakit yung tiyan ko. So, nagdala ako ng 5 Erseflora. Kasi ayoko sumakit tiyan ko. And I am a waterholic. So, very important na laging may tubig. Dito, oh my gosh, ba't basa? Actually, parang from Japan siya. Kasi ayun, may Japanese. Pero parang you take one a day and it helps boost your immune system. And lemon lang yung na-try ko before. And this is lemon, orange, and mango. Except ako sa mango. So, ayan. You're gonna take one a day and it helps boost your immune system. And ayoko magkasakit. So, sobrang ayoko magkasakit. Ito, sakit ng tiyan, food poisoning, ganyan. Bumili kami ng insurance. If ever ma-hospital, hindi talaga pwede ma-hospital ang person. Next. Oh, I love macarons. Nakita ko ng macaron cookies. A drink. This is honey lemon from Nats B with vitamin C. And I love granola. As in, I love granola. So, nakita ko to. Coconut banana flavor from Yawa. Yawa. Plus tubig. Bakit may kulang? Yung chocolate ko nasa ref. May chocolate ako. So, bili akong tubig para sa akin. May chocolate ako na fruit and nut. Parang local chocolate nila dito. Ito try natin mamaya. Yun lang. Kailangan na namin mag-prep. Guys, if pupunta kayong Bali,
Kasi yun yung tinanong na kanina. Sabi, wait, sa inyong apat lang yan?
yeah.
Hello, sir.
Is there a problem?
Are you in debt?
Sunod kayo?
If nasa Canggu area kayo, ano to, Eco Beach, Villa and Apartment. Guys, it's so nice here. Like, thank you. We got. Hey guys, got a change up. Are you smoking? Yeah.
Yeah.
What?
Gusto niyo ba?
We have chicken skewers.
Oh, masarap. Ano yung green? Hindi naman pistachio yan, no?
Tikman ko muna. Baka pesto.
Baka.
Fresh. Say hi. We ordered shot.
Si Carlo wala. Ayun nga yun. Hindi na kami dahil sa Japan. Mga suicide bomber na
Ito sa akin.
Ito shot to. Kadiri, nandun o kadiri. Title pangalan pala, kadiri lang.
Yeah, Carlo.
Grabe ka, bakit? Sorry pa.
lason.
Boomerang to ah. Cheers ah. One. Okay.
Okay. Game na. Game na.
May isang shot to, tangin nyo.
Wait lang.
Oh, isip lang din. Kailangan talaga.
Jalay.
Hindi mo ka pa. Gago.
Parang ang bilis sa kanya eh.
Ate, hindi! Wala na, straight na si Kay.
Perfect. Yeah.
Bakit na ito? Gusto ko ito.
We're kind of...
Meron pa tayo isa pa.
Lalo mo makita yung pagkakasal.
Almost 8 pa lang. Uwi na kami. Sa villa na lang kami magsiswimming. And you're gonna join us. We're going home.
Talong ka na.
Baka walang sumalo. Ordered kami from McDo. We're gonna show you what we ordered. Can you tell them what we ordered?
Something sauce.
So may weird chicken sauce sila dito.
May sambal na sauce.
Sambal sauce. Ganda naman ng ano, paper bag.
Ito yung side na vegetable.
And ito yung drink nila. It's sauce rote bottle. So parang siyang coke na nasa
Kanin yung regular.
juice pack.
Lore lang yung regular rice, no?
Yeah. Make it make sense. Hindi siya egg hash brown siya.
Parang
Hindi.
fried rice. Ito.
Regular.
Regular rice. And this is like... Hindi namin alam kung ano to.
Ito yung chicken.
Ito yung chicken.
Ang weird.
Ito yung jatin.
Ako to, di ba?
Oo.
Parang falafel.
Oh?
It's like falafel,
Ay,
guys.
Laura, oh. Sa'yo. Yan na yung buong ano. May egg sa'yo, di ba?
Ati!
This is my order!
Siya. Ti!
Oh! Hindi siya kula. So, ito yung order ko. Chicken and egg and rice and like falafel kind of thing. Tignan niyo yung binigay na kutsara sa akin. Jelly.
Hoy!
Sobrang laki. Good morning, guys. meron kaming Ubud tour today. Pero magbe-breakfast muna kami ni Jelay. So, we have to wake up early because kailangan namin mag-ayos. Good morning! Good morning, everyone. So this is our pool area. Bless you, bitch.
Ano, bila tayo? So sure ka?
Meron silang croissant, panau chocolate, croissant. Oh, I want the banana bread.
Hi, good morning.
Ay, sorry. I ordered coconut cloud latte,
Wow.
avocado egg toast.
Okay, no.
You look need coffee.
Here? Yes. Where are your things, guys? Nasaan gamit nyo?
Nakatapos lang namin mag ATV. Sorry, hindi namin kayo nasama kasi bawal ang ano.
Hindi, ayaw niya lang gamitin camera.
Baka masisira talaga. Sa,
Hindi ko na kasi siya mahulog eh.
But, you will see clips. Kung gusto nyo makita ang ATV adventure namin, follow us on Instagram. Doon namin ipopost ang videos. Natali Swing.
Coffee plantation.
Coffee plantation. Oh, kape. Is it allowed? Okay.
Don't worry about the hygiene because the coffee from the poo still have skin and protect the bean inside. The bean not contact with other poo, still hygiene. After this one, we roasting.
Okay. Hala, duling oh, Jelay.
Bakit parang siyang cartoon? Tapos pala palda ako.
Baka meron dyan. Pwede yun. Tawang-tawa ako.
Ate and big, this one is very
Oh my gosh! Hey, can you fix your dress?
I'm not gonna fall.
No, it's safe.
Fix yours.
Ready?
Yeah.
Relax, yeah? You look like scary.
It's okay, you can see my pants.
Excuse me? Your swing is ready. Maybe we do
Okay.
the swing on the toe.
Okay.
Jelly, pagkagalis ka pa kayo.
Gago ka.
Even if I'm heavy na.
Let someone fall.
Yeah, good.
She will be the first one.
Yun yung pinaka nakakakaba.
Tagal. Ano tayo mo yung vanilla?
Ano to?
Ano to? Ito, black lang to?
Lasang ipis.
Lemon kaya pala.
Ano
Ano yan?
Lasa, ewan ko. Uy, amoy tanglad. Lemongrass nga, di ba?
Ang bata mo itang lang.
Maasim.
Tumuloy si Laura sa
Ito.
swim. Aawain ko siya.
Sobrang bastos.
Aawain ko siya. Di ko siya papansinin buong araw. Kasi una uwi, hindi na ako eh. Pipilit na ako.
Wala kaya magbudaliwan sila lifetime lang to be. Tara na. Sige na nga. Ano mo, klase Elora eh.
Oo nga eh.
Nawala yung blush on eh.
Nawala yung blush on niya, tapos nahumot na yung labi niya. Wala.
Aabang ako, sabi ko, matayin kaya itong gagawin to. May harness naman eh.
Himatayin pa naman. Wow! Guys, so andito kami sa Warung. Warung yung tawag nila sa Karinderya. So this is legit, like legit Indonesian food that we're eating. And I ordered chicken curry. Tapos kay Jelay, fried chicken, pero may sambal sauce. Tapos meron kami
pero roast pata.
okay. Yummers. That's like Max fried chicken. And then we have pork satay. Ang sarap ng satay sauce nila, guys. Parang kare-kare. I love kare-kare. Tapos kay Christian, pansit, chili mansi. No, noodles yun, noodles. And we have fruit. And this is the view. Kahit anong view. Left view, side view, front view, kahit anong view. I love you.
Uy ko to.
Cute.
Ay, wait lang, gusto kong picture yung parang
So this is full service.
Kasi yung kakainin niya mamaya, alam ko kalahati lang doon. Ay! Charot.
Kaya nga nag-two-piece ako eh.
Guys, so ang daming nangyari. Andito na kami sa villa. Anong oras na?
7 pa lang ata.
7:10 p.m. here in Bali, which is the same sa Pilipinas. Walang pinagkaiba. And ngayon, magdi-dinner kami ng KFC and magsiswimming. And we are gonna try We're gonna try it. Jolly, open mo nga.
Yes, babe.
Yes, babe. Babe, can you open it, babe?
Parang babe ulit si Carlo mo kasi nasagot ako. Araw-araw na ako sumasagot sa kanya.
Galit na galit eh. Ayaw masyadong protective sa babe niya. Ko po. May balik yan sa inyo. Kailangan natin ito ubusin kasi this is for immunity booster.
Ay, yung Yakult nyo?
And sa edad natin ngayon, kailangan nating
Okay lang, babe.
alagaan ang ating health.
Sure kami
Cheers. So we're gonna try all the flavors. We tried lemon, we tried mango, we tried orange, and now we're gonna try mango.
56 type yung atin.
Pre-game?
Wine!
Tay, wait nga, nag-immunity boost pre-game. Tsaka order mo. Okay, ikaw babe, okay ka na? Tita mo? Gusto niya uminom agad, di pa nga siya umorder pagkain.
Naka-boxers ka na rin. Shorts ka. Dahil topic yung version mo sa pakita kita. Lagi ka naka-boxers shorts.
Nag-aaway sila. Ganyan ang nangyayari pag may jowa ka. Kaya, ang tip ko sa inyong lahat,
Yan nangyayari pag yung jowa mo nag-swimming naka-boxer shorts.
oh, di ba? Nag-aaway sila. Para maging masaya ka, huwag ka nang magjowa. Okay? Pero, kung ikaw yung... Sarap. Scorpio. All done. Mas gusto ko yung lemon. Parang it's not giving so much. It's not giving too much. So, our immunity has been boosted. Thank you. Good morning, guys. Ang oras dito ngayon ay 5:38 a.m. Super aga yarn. And this is my outfit. Christian, pupunta kami Nusa Penida today. That's why it's so early. Because we have to catch a boat. And it's like an hour going to the boat. So it's very early and I have my coffee from Nescafe. It's caramel macchiato. And yes. Good morning, Christian.
Morning.
Andito lang kami sa Subic Bay.
Welcome to SDMA.
Oh, taga-Olonga po to. Living the yacht life. So, ito ang aming sasakyang yacht. Ayan. Hi guys. Andito na kami sa Nusa Penida. And dinala kami ni Kuya. Our first activity of the day is magsa-snorkeling kami. Ito kami. Snorkeling here. Makakakita daw kami ng manta rays and sea turtles. Order some drinks. And nandito kami sa may restaurant part kasi we're waiting for our boat to take us to the snorkeling sites. Grabe, hindi pa rin ako umiit. Carlo! Saka dito.
The pretty here.
Ocampo.
Kampo.
La Bolera.
Hinggang ba dito si this guy, that land,
TikTok. On the way.
We're so lucky. We're the
Tapos tignan mo, para talaga siyang T-Rex. T-Rex na ang cute.
Parang cartoon na rin.
Happy T-Rex. Grabe.
Kasi effort nila bumaba talaga sila dun.
Ang ganda ng water.
Saan yung pababa? Ayun yung yung
So
train.
nice.
Saan picture tayo dala?
Sige. We're here. So, it's our Nusa Penida day. And we have gone to... Una naming pinuntahan ay yung snorkeling. So, I saw a manta ray but not like up close kasi nga nahilo ko. And then, we went to 2 more diving spots na hindi na ako sumama kasi nasisik na ako. So, after that, pumunta kami sa Warung ulit para mag-lunch. Hindi ko na na-vlog kasi gutom na kami. And then, we went to Kelingking Beach. Sobrang ganda, guys. Sobrang ganda. Super nice. Para siyang T-Rex. Tas sobrang ganda ng tubig. And if pwede kang bumaba sa beach, pero it would take you 1 hour yung descent. I don't know. Nakakapagod and sobrang init and sobrang daming tao and sobrang haba ng pila dun kanina. So, nagpicture lang kami. And then, umalis na kami and now we are here. Some drinks. I ordered a mango papaya shake and order kaming nachos. Ayan, naglalagay silang sunscreen. Pwede kaming mag-swimming. May beach dito, hence kaya nga ang tawag ay Tropez Beach. Pero sobrang init pa kasi, guys. Anong oras pa lang? Anong oras na? Anong oras na?
11:30.
2:14 p.m. pa lang. Sobrang init at tirik ng araw. So, ayun, hindi tayo magsiswimming kasi feeling ko nga umitim na ako. Like, sayang ang gluta.
Thank you.
Pumunta siya doon, tapos Pakay na to, di mabitawan yung bake me.
Picture mo na. Good morning!
Kain na ako, tango.
We're gonna have floating breakfast.
Mango ba siya or kapal?
Floating breakfast. Ang ng mangga nila. Kakaiba yung mangga. Fresh orange juice. Ang sarap ng orange juice. Tangerine. Dalandan, no? Parang dalandan.
Parang lemon. Tangina lahat ng time na orange, sinabi niyo eh. Tangina. Parang orange, tangerine.
Tangerine!
Parang talandan.
Tangerine. Ay, hindi tangerine. Iyan.
Okay, isa pa. Ano pa? Tatlo pa. Manalo ka 10,000. Tatlo pa.
Such a supportive friend. Guys, it's our last day.
Yeah, officially last day.
Mas may personality yung sayo. Personality.
Sa long, you know.
Guys, thank
hello.
you. Thank you.
I drink something.
Oh, they have a menu.
Taste in a journey. Uwi na kami. Finally, our dogs.